You represent an area in Virginia that's called the Data Center Alley. It has the highest concentration of data centers anywhere on the planet. As far as Trump's immigration crackdown goes, what are these tech companies telling you, especially with regards to H-1B visas?
Sure. I've been trying to work to modernize the H-1B visa program, one, to protect American workers, but also to make it simpler to renew your H-1B visa and to give H-1B visa holders an eventual path to citizenship, a clearer path to citizenship. And unfortunately, this administration has not been receptive and really hasn't done much on the issue. They've been talking a lot about fixing illegal immigration in the U.S., but they've done very little on legal immigration, on green cards, on H-1B visas. In fact, the stuff that they have done is put permanent residents into detention, confuse permanent residents for illegal immigrants, or taken away visa status and put people in detention or deported them. So they're completely messing up the legal immigration system. It's going to mean that we're not going to attract the best and brightest around the world to come help fill our workforce gaps. I hear from a lot of tech companies that are concerned about this, certainly. It's because they want to hire American workers. It's more expensive to hire an H-1B worker, but they need to fill the gaps. Long term, I want to do what we can to make sure our education system is feeding them as many American workers as possible, but the H-1B program is an important piece of the puzzle in our economic climate.
To be fair, though, Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick has called H-1Bs a scam. Do you believe that tech companies are taking advantage of the program?
I think there might be a few bad actors, and that's why we have legislation to modernize the program and make it better so they can protect workers better. But the reality is the administration isn't even doing that. If there's a problem that they see, they should work with us to fix it. But right now, they're not doing that. And so if he thinks it's a scam, then he should work with us to actually fix it. Because I have a lot of ideas on how to make it more airtight and to address the problems that might be there.
Lutnick has said he's trying to fix it. He's looking at a revamp. Have you heard of what this revamp would entail for future H-1B applications?
Talk is very cheap. He can say all he wants, but I haven't seen anything. And I don't think I'm in a position where I can move legislation, and so are Republicans in Congress. So I'd like to see him actually implement policies related to this and get it through Congress. But right now, he's talking a lot, but he's not acting much.